2019 Ford F-250 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-250 Super Duty. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote engine start, power passenger seat, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, voice-activated navigation system, electronic stability control, fog lights, compass, trip computer, power windows, rear window defroster, security system, panic alarm, tachometer. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.